today I'm here to do a updated video on my organizer. So I'm just gonna go all the way around so you can get an idea on how big it is. So now we're just gonna start with the top drawer, and I actually make all my labels on here, like tape them up. The first drawer. Now some are not all the way full because of when I was making them. I would like run out, so I would just put some in here until I restock, and I'll just add more to it. So that's why you'll see some of these are half full. So this is clear, as you can see. Sorry my nails are not done, but this is clear. And this would be silver. This is an old label. I don't use those labels anymore. But those are this is just my top drawer. I try to keep this drawer full as possible. And a lot of people ask about these. I also get these from AliExpress. They're like $5 for 5 of these. So yeah, I know a lot of people ask about. This is another old label that I don't use anymore. I also got this from AliExpress, but the person that did these, they don't make labels anymore. So you have to find another seller on there that makes holographic labels. And I know most people remember this one. This was the colorful gloss, but I mixed all the colors in one and it made this brown color. A lot of people love this. And this was the rainbow that I did a really long time ago on my channel. I still have that video up, but I do not sell these anymore because I don't make these anymore. This is Pink Remix. I think I still have this on my website. I don't even remember. But yeah, this is also one of my favorites. It's like a pink tint and then it's glitter in it. And this is also clear with glitter. This is what everybody loves the most. Everybody buys this. This gets sold out so very fast. So yeah, everybody loves this color. And this is gold, by the way. Okay, so this is all the top drawers. So if I was to guess, I would say maybe 60, 70 glosses is in here. So yeah. See, I really need to restock and some more clear because I like to have a lot of these. See, I only have a few clear even in here. So yeah, I would definitely make more of that. Silver, I think I have a good amount of silver. I just made 30 silver like the other day. Now these are my new labels that I'm using. I also got these from AliExpress, and I will leave all links in the description. So please do not ask me where I get it from because I'm telling you now. So I got it from AliExpress, and I will leave a link in the description. Now we're going down to the next drawer. This is a drawer I'm always in. I just restocked this drawer. That's why it's so full. This is my Loud Pink. A lot of people love this pink, but most people like the regular pink. So that's the regular pink. It's very similar to red. So yeah. But I would say this is the second bestseller. No, actually clear would be the second bestseller. Then pink would be number 3. Then maybe a tie to Loud Pink and red. So yeah, I'm gonna open this drawer up all the way. So as you can see, this is a lot. This is very deep. I would say at least 100 glosses are in here. Now, this is a lot. I remember I made these a while ago. My video is called DIY ombre colors. I made this color. I made orange and green. And this is a tinted color. I forgot what color this was. I'm sorry. And this was silver and gold. And this was pink and purple. Again, guys, I do not even make ombre colors anymore. So these pretty much just sit here. And I keep my tinted colors in bags because I won't get them all confused. So I had written down what pigment it is. I know you can't see it, but I can see it. But yeah, that's how I keep my tinted ones different bags than the clear. Because in these I don't restock it. Once these sell out, that's it. And I'll just post more tinted colors because I'm constantly making tinted colors on my website. I mean on YouTube. So yeah, next drawer. sometimes you have to shake these to close. It can be kind of hard to close. And this is the next drawer. Again, tinted colors, always in bags. Some more tinted colors that's in bags. I haven't even made a video on these colors yet, but I did make the video. I mean, I haven't edited it up yet. This is not rose gold. This is OG gold. This got discontinued from my website as well because I only have a few of these left. I only have 1, 2, and then I want to make room for more colors. So yeah. And then now this is my rose gold. A lot of people love this color too. I would say this is about the 4th or 5th bestseller. This is purple. I don't even have this on my website. Why? I don't think I do. I might. I don't even know. But this is also one of my favorites too. Purple. Everybody loves the purple gloss because purple is like my second favorite color. A lot of people like purple. This is orange. A lot of people get this mistaken for like a brown, like a bronze, but it's actually orange. This was a galaxy color I made a really long time ago. I do have a video on that as well. Again, the old label, Marisa Cosme. I know you can't even see that. Amazing purple. A lot of people love this color too. This color is on my website. Let's see. Scorpio. Everybody loves Scorpio. Scorpio does sell out a lot, but I have not restocked in Scorpio yet. I'll probably get to it at the end of this month, maybe. But yeah, I think that's everything in the drawer. So this is how big the drawer is. So as you can see, it's not a lot in this drawer compared to my last drawer, because again, I just restocked on that last drawer. That's why it's so thick. To the greens and the blues. So a lot of people like dark purple. This is not dark purple. I mean dark blue, because everybody loves blue. Not a lot of people get green. I guess a lot of people don't care for green. Again, this is the new label. This is a light green. Then I have a dark green. And then I have regular blue. And then I have, let's find a good one. Aqua. Everybody loves Aqua. That's Aqua. And more tinted colors, guys. I have a ton of tinted colors. More tinted colors. More tinted colors in bags. So yeah, I would say maybe 40 glosses in here. I guess. I don't know. Maybe 50. Alright, going down to the next drawer. More tinted colors. This is gold. Everybody loves gold. Again, the new label. Love the new label. I'm gonna get some more labels because I'm tired of this pink. I want like a colorful logo. And then these, I don't sell this color because I only have like 4 or 5 of these. And then plus I don't have any more room to put new products on my website. So I just sell silver of this one. But yeah, oh look. More tinted colors. Didn't even see these. But yeah, that's pretty much this drawer. I know it's not organized at all, guys, because I just be throwing stuff in here all the time. But I'm going down. Now these are my logos. The new logos, as you can see. Love the new logos. And then I just have a bunch of sheets of this. I still have some of the old logos, as you can see. And then I have some more logos. These was the holographic logos. And there's a whole bunch in here, as you can see. I want to get more logos because, like, I buy like 500 logos at a time, but then I get tired of looking at it, so I want to get like a new design. I know I'm terrible. The business cards, the back. Well, this is the back, and then that's the front. And then, as you can see, all of these are just business cards. I still have some old business cards. Hold on, let me see. Let's see if I can find them. Oh, here they are. The old business cards. But yeah, and I still have all business cards, as you can see. So we can close this drawer now. Let me get more organized. Okay. Now I'm gonna open up the next drawer. Oops. Fix that. All right. This is the oils for flavoring, and then these are all my glitters. As you can see, I do have a lot. I have some pigment, but these are all my glitters. So now I'm gonna put this back in the drawer. And now these are just some tubes. I have some more in my room. I just haven't put them in the drawers. I haven't even posted this video yet about these either. I have these on my website as a trio set where you can get all 3 colors. This is my other glitter slash pigment drawer. So as you can see, that's unicorn, which is the same thing as rose gold. And this is just a bunch of glitter, more pigments, more pigments, glitter, and this is pretty deep. So as you can see, I have a lot of glitter. So all of these pigments I've already tried before, they just sit in the drawer. These pigments I have not done videos on, so I keep these separate from everything else. So I'm going to put that aside so I don't get that confused. So I have every single color. I have red, silver, loud pink, aqua. That I don't even make aqua because I didn't post on my website because I don't have enough room to put another product because I can only have 25 products. So once dark blue sells out, I'll probably replace it with this color. Then I have purple, gold. I have like 2 different golds. What is this? This is red. Yeah, it's red. And why do I have another gold? Oh yeah, these are 2 different golds. As you can see, this is a 17. This is, what is that? A 7? Yeah, it's a 7. So can you see the difference, guys? This looks much richer. This looks kind of duller. But yeah, these are my 2 different golds that I have. I have green. I haven't even opened this because it's still in the bag. Wow. Cinderella. I love Cinderella. That's so pretty. I have blue. Let's see. I have 2 of these. Damn, I know I had 2 of those. Yeah, guys, I just be buying stuff. I be forgetting I already have it. This is coral blue. This is really pretty as well. I have, let's see. Well, I have 2 more pinks. 2 pinks. Wow, I didn't know I had this. This makes 3 right here. Or is this red? Oh no, that's red. Guys, a lot of these colors look just alike. And plus my flash is on, so I really can't tell. Right now, another loud pink. So I have 2 of those too. I have so many silver, because silver sells out the most. Therefore, I have last. So I have 1, 2, what's that? 3. None of this has been even open. And then this is 4, 5. I have 5 bags of silver. That's insane. But it's good to have a lot of stock, so that's why I like buying a lot. And these cost like $3.40 a bag, $3.40. Also get those from AliExpress. I will leave a link in the description. All my pigments come from TKB Trading. That's another question I get a lot. So under here is buried with pigments. Sparkle Rose is so pretty, guys. This is like a really pretty pigment. Like, that is so pretty. I love that pigment. But yeah, oh, this was my favorite color too. Guys, I haven't even made anything with this color yet. That's really bad. But I'll get to it eventually. I don't know when. But let's see, we got Scarlet. I did Scarlet. I think I did Scarlet. I'm pretty sure I did. Well, I have another bag full of pigments. But I've done all of this. I mean, I make videos with all these pigments. But yeah, those are pretty. And that pretty much sums up this drawer. I know a lot of people want to watch this video just because of this drawer right here. But yeah, actually it's a big mess. I hardly even go through this drawer. The only time I go through this drawer is when I'm restocking like one of these small ones. And that's mainly to do for silver and pink. But yeah, my next drawer. Hold on, let me close this. Now, these are my old padded envelopes. As you guys know, I do have silver padded envelopes now. I don't even go into this drawer because I don't use these at all. I use my silver ones. But I leave those in the box that it came in. That's also in my room. But yeah, I would recommend these if you're trying to ball on a budget, because you can get 8 of these for, I'm sorry, you can get 50 of these for $8 versus my other ones where you get 20 for like $11. And they have a tons of different colors. But that is my last drawer. So that sums up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Again, you can get this cart from Amazon. So I bought it for $30, but now it's $50. So I guess you can try to find it somewhere cheaper, but I did get it from Amazon. I will also leave a link in the description. But thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tell me if you like this video, tell me what kind of videos y'all want to see from now on, because I don't know what other videos I should do besides making lip gloss. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.